There's a lot of great things about powder coating. It's strong, durable, long-lasting, it's easy to apply, and it's even a little bit flexible, so it's great for those parts on a car that are going to move around a lot because it's not going to chip like conventional paint. All you need is a small air compressor, a powder coating system, and an electric oven, and then you prep, you coat, and you bake. It's that easy. We have 3 different systems here at Eastwood, ranging from the beginner all the way up to the professional. We even have all the powders and accessories you need to complete your next powder coating project. The first unit we have is our DIY powder coating system. This is really the true beginner unit. If you really just want to get your feet wet with powder coating, this is going to be a great option. The DIY powder coating system comes right out of the box, ready to use. It's a single voltage unit, which means you don't have to mess with any settings. Just plug in your air, attach your powder, and you're ready to go. Like I said, it's great for those smaller projects. We've used it for things like air filter covers, breather caps, even DIY arts and craftsy stuff. This is a great gun to get started. My recommendation if you were just starting out powder coating would be to pick up the dual voltage powder coating system. Because this has 2 voltage settings, low and high, you can actually start doing larger parts and even things with more complex shapes to them. This is really the gun you want if you're going to start getting into wheels, maybe control arms, all those bigger suspension components. This is really going to be the most bang for your buck because you're going to be able to do a lot more without spending a ton more. If you want to get pretty serious about powder coating, maybe you're a shop starting out or somebody who just wants to do a lot of larger parts, then you need to check out the Elite PCS 1000 powder coating system. This unit is great because it has all the bells and whistles that you want in a professional unit. It has a 5-pound fluidizing hopper. You can also order 2-pound hoppers at Eastwood.com. It comes with a professional gun, and it has a lot more options when it comes down to adjustment. You can adjust the gun pressure, the fluidizing pressure, you can even adjust the voltage all the way up to 100,000 volts. What that means is you're going to be able to stack on multiple layers of powder coat to really get that custom effect you're looking for. Now the PCS 1000 has a ton of great features, and if you're looking for a more detailed video, click the link right there. And don't forget, Eastwood has all the accessories and powders you need to complete your next powder coating job. For more information on any of these units, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.